Hello guys, in this video I will tell you how to host the website in the GitHub for free. The GitHub provides you with 500 MB of space without premium subscriptions. And first we have to minimize this and go to the Chrome. In the Chrome I have already signed up. If you have not signed up, you have to sign up and create a new repository with the name Sam1. I have already code with Sam, so I am writing as a one. If you can do it with whatever the you want the repository name. I have to click here, upload an existing file. Then I have to drag and drop the file. Here I have and I just drag and drop it here. And it started. Might take a little time, but uh, a little time is required to upload, but until that time you can like and subscribe to the updating 26 files have been uploaded, and more there are left. Here you can see in previous videos I have told you how to download the template and how to render or customize it to your wish. If you haven't watched that, go and watch. It's a recommended video. Without seeing those aspects, you cannot customize or customize and feel properly how you wanted. Now I think uploading is over, and I tell it changes. This may take a few minutes to complete. So telling like that, and ah, there we go. It's here, and in here we have assets, everything, and next we have to go here on the settings, and on the page we have to go. In the page you have to not to choose theme or not to do anything. uh, you have to ah page setting is now click here, and here is the page, and it's not showing the page. Actually I think something is problem in the repository, so let's create another repository, and just I think I admit an mistake. uh, I should upload directly files, but I think I done some mistake. I uploaded whole GitHub files. The only content has to be posted. Mm, but I think I did a mistake. So you should not do that mistake. The uploading might take a minute or several minutes. This time the uploading speed is a little high than the previous one. Here the files are looking up and now the JPG files are getting index HTML license AD document and we tell it commit changes. Select telling save. This may take a few minutes to complete to actually create the folders and put those things into the folders. Now we have to go for settings. In the setting we have to go for page. Now the page change done. So here you can see you have to tell it main and save. Now you can see a link has been created. This is the link which is your link. Here I upload it. It may take a little time. If you have a custom um, if you want a custom domain, then you can type here. The domain should be purchased and then you can upload it. Sometimes it may take some minutes to get, and here we go. Yeah, it's executed. Here you can see the web page which we uploaded. It is all free. You can use this link and send to others. They can also view this page, and that's all for today. Thank you.